Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I've got a few stretches that are going to help you with your back bend that are very simple and will just get you started with learning the back bend. So we're first going to start off just warming up the back in a nice child's pose with our hips closed and really trying to outstretch our arms so that we feel it in our shoulders. If you feel a little bit uncomfortable in this position or it's just too tight for you, then just open up your hips. That's totally fine. Good, just keep holding, feeling your spine stretch longer and longer. And then slowly we're going to transition into a puppy pose. So just prepare yourself and let's go. Just sliding into it, really stretching out those arms. You can have your head up like I am doing, or you can put your forehead down onto the floor, whatever feels comfortable for you. And just stick that butt up in the air, chest down. Really feel this in your shoulders. And just hold. And we're slowly going to transition onto all fours, and we're going to do our cat and cow. So just get comfortable and curl in all the way as much as you can, and then arch your back, leaning your head back as well, and curling in and arching. It's a very slow movement. We're just warming up the back. Good, keep going. I'm gonna do a few more of these. Curl in and arch. Good. Curl in and then up. And in. Just two more of these. And arch your back, trying to increase the stretch more and more as you do it. And then curling in. And last one. Arch up. Good, and we're going to transition into the next one. So we're just going to sit on our knees and we're just going to arch our back, placing our hands behind us and just warming up the upper back. And just hold this for a moment. Arching as much as you can, laying that head back, trying to make a nice little curve in our back. Good, and let's slowly release and just bring our head down, just stretching out that neck. We're gonna come into camel pose after this, but just enjoy this pose. Nice little break. And let's slowly come to a camel's pose. You can put your hands under your butt if that feels good for you. If that's too easy, just bring your hands to your ankles. We're just gonna hold here. This is a great warm-up for the back bend and just kind of a beginner's pose before we go there. Just arching that back, laying the head back, tucking the butt under, tuck your hips under. You don't want to create too much of an arch with your butt. You want to protect that spine. Good, let's come out of it, just slowly. And let's just open up our hips, opening up our knees. And we're going to come for a quick child's pose. And just hold here, stretch your arms out. And let's slowly come out of this child's pose. And we're going to come to our back and just lay down slowly. And we're just gonna lift into a nice little bridge pose. So we're gonna lift our hips, our feet are hip width apart. Tucking our butt under, squeezing it nice and tight. And just hold here. Just kind of getting our lower body ready for this back bend. Just holding for a little while longer. Then we're going to come for a nice spinal twist. So lower down. Bring your foot over your other knee. And we're just going to twist it. Our head is going in the opposite direction. Making sure our shoulders are on the ground. Doesn't matter what your knee is doing. What matters is your shoulders are planted onto the ground. Keep holding. These twist positions are really great for back flexibility, and also after you've done some back bends and really worked your back with some stretches, it's a really good way to kind of release the tension that you've created and just relax the back. All right, let's come to the other side nice and slow, switching your feet and legs. And we're just gonna twist that spine. Taking nice deep breaths in this position. And just hold for a little while longer. We're gonna release slowly and we're gonna finally come to that back bend. So let's get to it. Just bringing our feet like in the bridge, our hands behind our head, nice and flat. And we're just gonna slowly lift up. Doesn't matter where your legs are, if they're super stretched or if you're on your tippy toes, it's totally fine. Just go as far as you can. And slowly you can just kind of walk your feet more towards your head. And after that, you just release. And you can try this as many times as you want, what feels right for you. Just don't overdo it. You don't want to hurt your back. And after that, you should always just kind of hug your knees, relax, go side to side like I am doing. Good, just side to side. And we're going to come for a nice forward stretch after this. So let's roll up, stretch your legs. And we're just going to go down. Doesn't matter, pointed or flexed. I have my feet flexed to increase the stretch. And just hold here, releasing the tension from the back bend. And let's come up. And you're finished for today. So I hope you guys liked that video. Do it as much as you can. Do it as much as you like. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!